So here we are again, trying to make the best of today and do some things around the house, keep the kids busy. We're doing homeschooling because the schools obviously are shut down. So we just got finished doing some work with Addison, and now Addison is gonna do some fun activities, which include slime making. All right, so Addison, tell us what we need to do or what we need to have for slime making.
So we need some glue, and we need some magic liquid.
Magic liquid?
Yeah, and then we need glitter.
What kind of glitter is that? Turn it around so I can see the front.
Sparkling glitter.
I think Daddy got that for you in Target, right?
Yes.
Target, okay.
And then we need a spoon and then a bowl.
A bowl. And this is just, what is this? This just is a kit that includes the 2 glitter glues and the magic liquid.
It sounds like a pig, like a fart.
Addison.
It's not coming out. Glop, glop, glop. It sounds like a pig. Kind of. A little bit more. I got all the red out by myself.
Okay, so the red is done.
Well, hold on.
Just wipe it off like on the side of the bowl. There you go, perfect.
Wait, there's still more.
All right, I think we're good.
Okay, there's no more. Is there? No. I used the whole red glitter.
You're gonna do both of them together as a slime or just one?
I'm gonna do one at a time. So then I need some of this.
Magic liquid?
Yeah, the magic liquid.
Do you have to put the whole thing in?
Almost.
Start with that for now and see if that...
It's turning into slime a little bit. I think I need a little bit more. Ah, it got on my hand. I think I put too much in it because it looks like it's gonna get wettish. It's turning into slime.
Is it? Do you need more liquid?
No, it's perfect.
It's perfect?
Mhm.
Wow.
Next, we're gonna add the glitter, and then if you get this glitter, it comes out from the side. Oops. Come on. I think that's enough glitter. Ah. Okay, now I am gonna do it on my hands. It feels kind of weird. It's kind of messy.
It's working?
Yeah. Ah. I need a napkin.
Well, try to like mush it around so you can get a good consistency of the slime. Just keep like playing with it. Do you think you need more liquid to make it like... I would put a little bit more magic liquid in there just so it gets a... Yeah, might as well just put the whole thing in. Use your spoon though.
I need my spoon. Can you mix it?
Yeah, you could get the spoon dirty. It's okay. Just make sure you don't get the liquid out of the bowl and it falls.
I think I need a napkin.
Oh,
because
it's getting
this is-
thicker. Just use your hands to make it thicker.
Okay, now I need a napkin. I'm messy.
Well, put your hands in the thing, in the slime.
I need it.
A napkin?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Wipe your hands off a little bit.
So it's a
Alright.
nice one. Okay. I need that, the whole thing. Wow, it's turning into slime pretty cool. I think this is my best one I made in my life so far.
Really?
Yeah. Because when I first made slime, it did not come out good.
No. Do you think the kit helped you? The kit helped you a little bit?
Mm-hmm. Well, the glitter did not help at all.
Well, it just makes it look pretty.
At least the glitter's still in it. It's not sticking to my hands a little bit anymore.
Oh, so good. So you probably have to use the whole magic liquid bottle per glitter glue bottle, right? I would say. So there's your red slime. Let's move on to the blue
I'm
slime.
gonna put my red slime in the container.
Plop.
Okay, now I need...
So Joe just informed me that he had more pictures with Grandestino on his phone. He just told me now. I uploaded the video last night and he was kind of helping me with the kids, and he just informed me that he had our photos, like the views from Toledo's and our hotel room. So I'm gonna link them in now. And these are just a few of our personal photos that we have. The ones I linked before were photos that I had on my phone. But yeah, so it was a great moderate resort like we mentioned, and we loved the view from Toledo's. The food was really good, so we just wanted to share that really quickly with you guys, because we did not put it in on the last video. So we are going to go on a walk today and embrace this beautiful day because it is so nice out, and we have been in the house for about four or 5 days. So we're gonna go take a family walk. So far walking, we've maybe saw one person out besides ourselves, which I'm not saying it's abnormal, but you think more people would be out today unless they're just hanging out in their backyards. You never know. But Belle is loving this walk. Are you having fun? You never introduced Belle either, so this is Belle. I think you should be walking.
I think I should be using the other wagon.
You're taking advantage of the wagon. And Jacob is just hanging out. And we just noticed that they put these signs out, so you can't even take advantage of like the track and the playground that's by the school, which is pretty sad. These are the times we're living in right now. We decided to take a trip to the beach. We live like 5 minutes from the beach. So we decided to come out here, get some fresh air. This is my happy place. So you kind of just forget about everything when you come to the beach. So I nagged Joe and I was like, let's go. Let's get in the car. It's 5 minutes away. And it's actually not too bad. We thought it was gonna be colder. So this is our view right now. Our feet are in the sand. Woo! And we are here taking it all in. To come down here because we have a lot of shells at home that we found here. So I had told Joe, I said, let's just get in the car and see if we can find more, because I actually put them in my bed, my garden bed at home, and I need a little bit more. So we're gonna see if we can find some seashells. Seashells. We found this big one. These are the ones I have in my house.
And I found this little one.
Let me see. Hold it up right there. Yes, we're gonna be on the hunt for the big ones. I need more. So let's see what we find. The water is rough. Got more? Good job. All right, let's see what else we find.
Here.
All right. I think I found more this way, guys. Look, is that one over there in the sand? The tide was definitely up here because this is fresh, wet sand. Oh, that's cracked. Keep going. That was our trip to the beach. We got some shells for home, so now we're on our way home. I have to show you the sign that I bought from somebody locally who makes them. I'm in love with it, and it has a little bit of Disney, of course. But I love my sign on my front porch.
Veggie chips. What are you gonna have for lunch?
The things that are my mom's making.
What am I making you?
Chicken tenders.
So we got creative today. We used some painter's tape and we made some fun shapes. And Addison is coloring them in with her chalk, and then we'll pull the tape up to see our little design we made. Uh-oh. Jacob, you gotta try to use your fishing pole to get the fish. Oh boy. We're starting the 400-piece puzzle now.
Which is mine.
We completed our 200-piece one, as we said before. And now we're starting this one.
Mommy, I want the shake.
Addison wants my milkshake that I made. We made ice cream and some milkshake. Of course, you know, mothers can relate, can never enjoy your things when you have kids. So there goes my milkshake.
You work on making it clear.
So let's see how long this takes us to complete. Addison, what did you complete already?
This part and this part. Two Mickey.
Oh, Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah.
They're by the campfire. So we have to look for pieces that have like wood, like this one.
No, but I'm doing the middle.
I know you're
doing the top.
I'll do the top. But look, you see how they're sitting on a log? We gotta find all the little pieces. Okay, just letting you know.
Wait, the log. The log starts.
There are so many pieces.
Mom, put it in the middle.
Put one in the middle. Addison is still trying to have some of my milkshake. Addison, I made it for myself. You had some ice cream. All right, let's find the pieces we need. We got to get this going. It's a 400-piece puzzle, so we need to get this going.
Bottom down.
That's at the bottom. That's little Steve.
That's your top.
Do you guys have any suggestions on how you do puzzles at home? Some tips, some advice to make it go quicker? Let us know. Okay, so it's now the community milkshake. Because Jacob has found it.
Jacob, just spit it out on the ground.
Jacob is there we go again.
Hey, give me some too.
So here it is, the outcome of our puzzle. We finished around 9 o'clock last night. Not too bad, 400-piece puzzle. So we're gonna see if we can get our hands on something a little bit more challenging now. But I wanted to show you, how the picture looked and our outcome of how long it took us as a family to do it, the 3 of us. So don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys soon.